Allison Posey reached more students by creating a multiple representations on the fly in class.
And I do think I try to model different ways of doing that just because of my own peculiar learning style. So I remember a student had a question about blood groups, and kind of on the fly, I tried to draw it and describe it, and I could tell they were looking at me with blank. So I have an arts and crafts area in my science lab area, and grabbed a whole bunch of different colored construction paper and just cut and said, okay, let's just make this cell look, type A look like this and type B look like this. And so they watched me think of a different way to explain it to them. And one of them said, it's nice to know you can think of a different way to present it. And I kind of thought, instead of just having everything magically ready for students when they walk in the door, it's kind of nice for them to see you as a teacher struggle with trying to get information to them in a way that makes more sense. And some of them got it with just my little goofy chalk drawing, but some of them really needed that cut-out model that they could see and actually kind of act out a little bit. So just as a teacher, I think to again, know my goals, I knew I wanted them to understand that. It helped me realize I need to be flexible in how I present it, and it may take a little more time to go cut it out, but then they get it and it's worth it, and you can move on.